असंबाधं मध्ययो मानवानां यस्या उद्वतः प्रवतः समं बहु नानावीर्या ओषधीर्या बिभर्ति पृथिवी न प्रथतां राध्यतां नः
यस्यामन्नं व्रीह्यवौ यस्या इमः पञ्चकृष्टयः भूम्यै पर्जन्यपत्न्यै नमोऽस्तु वर्षमेधसे.
May this earth of diverse gradients, with her generous variety of flora, sustain us all who live through her in harmony and prosperity.
O land that nurtures rice and wheat and shelters all races of humankind, be blessed with ample rain. O earth, we bow before you. Diversity, the way of nature, the basis of ecological stability. Diverse ecosystems, diverse life forms, diverse cultures. Their coexistence and coevolution has conserved biological diversity on our planet. Deriving sustenance from the infinite bounties of nature, traditional communities have developed a deep and sophisticated ecological knowledge. They recognize that each species contains within itself the potential for both its own use and for its regeneration. Food, medicines, shelter for themselves and their animals. People's role has been to use these gifts of biodiversity without destroying biodiversity itself, preserving it for future generations.
When we came here about 50 years ago, this spice garden was a thick jungle. First we mulched the land with dry leaves. Then we fed it with cow manure and planted the saplings. We had to take as much care of them as we did of our little children. Every night we covered them with karra leaves, so the rain won't wash these tiny plants away. They have lives too, you know. They're delicate and need attention, just like children.
Traditionally and logically, it is the farmer who is at the center of conservation, conserving for the sake of continuity of all species. Each farmer knows that seed is both food for today and the source of food for the next harvest. Seed conservation, then, is survival and self-reliance. Here at Ganapati Hegde's Spice Garden in Sirsi, Western Ghats, the coconuts and areca nut trees, the vines of spices like pepper and cardamom, all celebrate coexistence along with other life forms, insects, birds, microbes, each providing resilience, support and shelter to the other. The grass in the fields, the fiber from areca and coconut trees, these are the natural protective covers for ripening fruits and nuts. Traditional biodiversity conservation is a scientific art. Its practitioners are the original environmentalists.
ಈಗ ಆರಾಮು ನನಗೆ ಸುಖ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಅಡಿಕೆ ಹಣ್ಣು
Each tree you see here has been planted by my husband and me.
ಬರೀ ಕಾನು
When they were still growing, wild boars would trample on them at night.
ಹೊಂದಿ
The fruits, the arekas, the coconut trees, we protected them all.
ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಕಡೆಗೆ ಬೀಜ
And look how tall they've grown now.
ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿದ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಹೊಂದಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಏನು ಕಾಟ
When we planted cardamom, they just begun to grow, and the pigs would come for them.
ಏಲಕ್ಕಿ ಹಣ್ಣು
The arekas were emerging, and the birds would swoop down on them.
ಮತ್ತೆ
These plants need support too. I carefully entwined each pepper vine around the banana trunks.
ಇನ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕಡೆಗೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾಡ್ತೀವಿ
ತಪಸ್ಸು ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ನಾನ ಮಾಡಿ ಜಪ ಮಾಡೋದು ಈ ಕೃಷಿ ಅಂದರೆ
Before tapasya or prayers, we bathe, chant mantras and meditate. But Krishi tapasya is more demanding. We grow our own seeds, need bullocks, plow, hoe and constantly watch for wild animals. If we don't do this precisely, we simply don't get our food.
ಅದು ಆವ ಹೊತ್ತಿಗೆ
When you plant many different crops together, you get fruits and food throughout the year. Coconut, you know, takes 10 years to give fruit.
ಮೆಣಸು ಈ ವರ್ಷ
When we plant pepper, we know at best we'll get the pods within 3 years.
ಮೂರ ದಡಿ ಹುಸಿ ಫಲ 4 ವರ್ಷ 5 ವರ್ಷ ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತು ಅದು ಕಾಳು ಮೆಣಸಿಗೆ
Cardamom
ಯಾಲಕ್ಕಿಗೆ
yields
ಈ ವರ್ಷ
faster.
ನೆಟ್ರೆ
If we are lucky, there's some yield right in the first year.
ಎರಡನೇ
The
ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ
next year, it
ಅರ್ಧ
gives
ಫಲ.
half its
ಮೂರನೇ
capacity.
ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಥೋಡೋ ಫಲ.
And the third year, we get full yields.
ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗೋದು 3 ವರ್ಷ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗೋತರದ್ದು ಕಡೆಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟಂದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅದು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಸಹಾಯ ಅಂದ್ರೆ
That's how each crop is a sahayak, a partner to the other.
ತೋಟಕ್ಕೆ
A vine or cardamom creeper keeps the spice garden cool for other plants. That's why we plant cardamom here and there. It helps cool the ground around the areca trees.
ಗಂಡಸಿಗೆ ಹೆಂಗಸು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹಸಿವಾಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ
Plants support each other like husband and wife.
ತಡ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ
Each plant gives help and in return receives help. They are sahayaks.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಿಂಡು ಮತ್ತು ಮಧ್ಯ ಮೆಣಸಿನ ಬಳ್ಳಿ ಇಂಥದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಸಹಾಯ
The philosophical understanding that each plant, every species, is a sahaya, a support to the other, is Ganapati Hegde's guarantee against food shortage.
अन्नाद् भवन्ति भूतानि पर्जन्याद् अन्नसम्भवः यज्ञाद् भवति पर्जन्यो यज्ञः कर्मसमुद्भवः कर्म ब्रह्मोद्भवं विद्धि ब्रह्माक्षरसमुद्भवं तस्मात् सर्वगतं ब्रह्म नित्यं यज्ञे प्रतिष्ठितम्.
From food, creatures are born. From rain is created food. From sacrifice is born work. And you, Brahma, our creator, are pervading in all life.
This 5,000-year-old belief in the interconnectedness of all things is reflected in the diversity on farmers' fields even today, in spite of the technological pressure to replace it with uniformity. Nomenclature embodies diversity. In the centuries-old names for native crops are clues to their characteristics. Hullu Navanaye means foxtail millet rich in straw. Koralu Navanaye is flute-shaped millet. Majjige Ragi, ragi soft as buttermilk. Names of each crop, each variety, evoke shape, flavor, color, and other subtle individual characteristics. For organic farmer Mahadevamma, native seeds are a living testimony to nature and humans working together.
ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅದು ಸರಿಯಾಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್
These hybrid seeds, they just didn't suit my family.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದ್ರದ್ದು
Everybody complained of
ರಾಗಿ
some
ನಮ್ಗೆ
health problem.
ಏನು ಸರಿ ಬರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ,
Even the
ಮುದ್ದೆ
flour from the
ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೂ
grain
ಆಗ್ತಾ
was
ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
much less.
ಅದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ
Earlier,
ಸರಿ ಬರ್ತಾ
ragi
ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ,
balls were enough for
ಒಂದು
the
ಅರ್ಧ
whole
ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ
day's meals,
ಮುಗ್ದೋಗೋದು.
but
ಸರಿ
now
ಬೇರೆ
they'd hardly last
ಕೊಂಡ್ಕೊಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು.
half a day.
ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ದೆ ಕಡ್ಡಿ ರಾಗಿನೇ
We had to
ಈಗ
buy
ಕಡ್ಡಿ
more
ರಾಗಿ
from the
ಬಿತ್ತನೆ
grain
ಮಾಡ್ತಾ
stores.
ಇದ್ದೀವಿ.
This is
ಕಡ್ಡಿ
really
ರಾಗಿನೇ
shocking for a
ಹಾಕ್ತಾ
farmer,
ಇದ್ದೀವಿ.
you know.
ಅದನ್ನೇ ಊಟಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಬಳಸ್ಕೊಂತೀವಿ. ಅದೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಗೆ
Now
ಇದಾಗ್ತಾ
we
ಇದೆ.
are back to using
ಅದರಿಂದ
the
ನಮ್ಗೆ
old
ಯಾವ
ragi
ತೊಂದ್ರೆನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ.
seeds,
ಸರ್ದು
and no
ಬರುತ್ತೆ,
one is
ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ
complaining
ಅದೇ
at home.
ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ತಿರ್ಗಾ ರಾಗಿ
It sees us through the whole year once again, and we don't have to knock on others' doors for grains. We are quite happy to reject the hybrid seed and return to the ways of our ancestors.
ಈ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ರಾಗಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟುಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದನ್ನೇನು ಇದು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ.
ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹೈಬ್ರಿಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಾಯಿಲೆ ಕಸುರೆ ಅದು
We felt sick while growing hybrid tomatoes.
ಟೊಮೊಟೊದಲ್ಲಿ
Spraying pesticides on them, I had stiff legs and rash all over my arms.
ಈ ಟೊಮೊಟೊ
So I abandoned them really quickly. We have to protect our health. It is more important to us than high yields.
Suganna inherited her very own precious 1 acre recently from her father. She is on her way to realizing her dream, a model farm that expresses her creativity and allows her community freedom from dependence on market seed supply.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಮುಳ್ಳುಗಿಡಗಳು ಅದು ಇದು ಬೆಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆ ಕಾಡಿದ್ದಂಗಿತ್ತು. ನಾವು ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಯಜಮಾನರು
When I got this land last year, it was full of rocks and thorny bushes. Now, after really working hard at cleaning it and using plenty of cow manure, the yields are pretty good. I grow most of the crops we eat at home. I now dream of planting a small nursery of many, many old varieties. I want to share these saplings with other organic farmers.
ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಸರ್.
A growing number of marginal farmers, women, turn away from the empty promises of the miracle seeds and the green revolution. They realize that the shift to new agricultural technologies is to lose their independence to the market forces. Mahadevamma, Sugana, Pushpa, Chelamma, teachers of sustainability, members of Navdanya, a people's seed exchange network.
ಎರಡು ತರ ರಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಒಂದೇ ತರ ರಾಗಿ, ಕರಿಗಿಡ್ ರಾಗಿ.
For them, conserving their native seeds on their own fields is a statement of self-sufficiency.
पातुं न प्रथमं व्यवस्यति जलं युष्मास्वपीतेषु या नादत्ते प्रियमण्डनापि भवतां स्नेहेन या पल्लवम्.
Woman who reveres nature, placing plants first, not exploiting their beauty but celebrating their flowering. Bless her, eternally woman. A diversity of crops on the field means a variety of foods in the kitchen. Fresh, seasonal, nutritious, organic. Multiple creative ways of processing, preserving, consuming foods to meet needs created by the ecosystem. 2 cooling meals of rice in the humid summers. Foods that create warmth through winter nights. Food, the phal or fruit of the Sahayak concept that the family applies, both in their relationships with each other and with animals and plants. Growing, cooking, caring. Each member has a responsibility, a purpose. Together, they are one